Are you looking to bridge the gap between your CRM and your customer's favorite messaging app? Today, we are diving into WhatsApp automation using HTTP API integration with third-party CRM. If you want to streamline communication and boost efficiency, you are in the right place. Hi, I am Alik Fahim, working as digital marketing analyst at BotSailor. I am here to walk you through the entire setup in this video. First, let's talk about the engine behind this, BotSailor. BotSailor streamlines your WhatsApp automation designed specifically to boost customer engagement. But the real magic happens when you use its HTTP API. This allows you to utilize RESTful endpoints for seamless integration. Whether it's handling authentication, managing message templates, or setting up webhooks, the API is the handshake that lets your software talk to WhatsApp instantly. Let's look at a specific use case, HubSpot. By integrating BotSailor with HubSpot CRM, you aren't just sending messages, you are enhancing the entire customer experience. This integration allows for personalized messages based on CRM data and automated responses that keep your leads warm, driving both business growth and customers' loyalty. Now we know what you are thinking. Is it safe? Absolutely. When dealing with APIs, security is non-negotiable. BotSailor HubSpot integration ensures reliable performance by safely handling API keys, rate limits, and customer data. This guide details the process of connecting your HubSpot CRM to a BotSailor bot flow using HTTP API to automatically create new contacts. HubSpot setup, API key, and contact properties. Navigate to your HubSpot account's CRM section. Click the settings icon on the top bar. Go to integrations and select legacy apps. If you haven't already, create a new legacy app. Choose a private app for secure connection with your BotSailor account. Inside your created app, select the Auth tab. Copy the authentication key provided here. This is your HTTP API authorization key. Store it securely. For a deeper understanding of the HTTP API, consult HubSpot's official API documentation. To identify contact properties, first go to HubSpot's contact section. Then, identify the properties you wish to include when creating a contact, for example, email and phone number. Knowing the exact API property name is crucial for constructing the API request. Let's construct the API request. The API request requires a specific structure, including two headers and a JSON body. The authorization header will contain the authentication key you copied earlier. When testing the API in HubSpot, you can observe how adding different properties changes the required JSON structure. For BotSailor, you only need the properties section of JSON body. Let's set up BotSailor with HTTP API configuration. In BotSailor, create a new HTTP API connection. But here, I have already created one, so I am editing the connection. Set the request method as post. Use a test subscriber ID directly from BotSailor subscriber manager. Now, you need to add two static headers. One header is content type and set to application/JSON. A second header for authorization. Set the appropriate authentication string plus your copied key. Let's define the JSON body. Structure the properties section to match the HubSpot requirements. Using BotSailor variables for dynamic data. First, you need to test the connection. Ignore any errors in the response if your test subscriber ID doesn't yet have any values set. Save the connection configuration. Let's set up the BotSailor flow. Create a new bot flow designed to trigger the HTTP API. Set a trigger word to initiate the flow. Add an interactive element associated with the trigger word. Set up questions. Collect the necessary contact information. For email, set the reply type as email and save it to the system field for email. For the phone number, save the reply to a custom field that corresponds to the variables used in your HTTP API setup. Now add a text card, type your message and connect it with HTTP API card. And lastly, save the flow. Now, we are going to test and verify the flow if it is working properly. I am testing the completed flow in real time. Now, my flow has been completed and I will check the HubSpot CRM. A new contact should be successfully added to the list as expected. So, the contact is now listed here. So, how does it look under the hood? It's all about seamless integration. BotSailor acts as the connector between your HubSpot data and the WhatsApp network. Using secure RESTful endpoints, The system facilitates efficient message exchange. This means when a status changes in your CRM, a message can be triggered instantly on WhatsApp without you lifting a finger. Why should you implement this? The advantages are clear. Increased efficiency. Respond to customer inquiries swiftly and automatically. Personalization. Tailor your communication to individual preference found in your CRM. Customer satisfaction. Timely, relevant interaction make your customers feel valued. Automation is the future of customer communication. By leveraging BotSailor and HTTP APIs, you can build a system that works for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. If you are ready to start automating, check the links in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe